It's no secret that an embroidered hat looks great. You always see this product in retail stores. And even more than just embroidery, you see 3D embroidery. Now, when we think about 3D embroidery, let's take a look at the hats that I have in front of me. You can see we're working with embroidered looks, dimensional emblems, something that stands off the hat, a really high professional quality. Well, there's good news. Now you can produce these 3D embroidered looks with the new Hotronix 360 IQ hat press. All you need to do is heat apply. At Stahls', we've innovated and come out with 3D embroidered emblem. Each emblem has a heat-activated adhesive on the back that has a special recipe when combined with the press that allows you to produce this in 60 seconds. Let's watch this video from a recent visit that I had to Hotronix so I can walk you through step by step. The first step to decorating a hat like this is to load it onto the press. If possible, you'll flip the sweatband out, but if you can't do that, it's not a big deal either. Once loaded, you'll lock down the hold down device to position the cap in place and to hold it flush against the platen. This is a one-size platen fits most styles of hats. Take your 3D embroidered emblem, which has the heat-activated adhesive on the back, and just position it onto your hat. We provide you with special cover pads, and you make sure to choose the thickness of pad that matches your emblem. In this case, it's the 1/4 inch pad. We'll cover it up, set our settings for 60 seconds, and lock down the press. We're applying 280 degrees on top of the transfer and 320 degrees from the bottom, which makes sure we get a great and durable bond without damaging the hat that we're pressing. Once the application is complete, the heat press automatically opens, and that's it. We've created our high-quality, professional, retail-ready look. So now it's up to you. The whole category of custom printed headwear can be at your fingertips with this new heat press. All you need are the 3D embroidered emblems, the machine, and the know-how, which you've achieved in this short video. For more information on the Hotronix 360 IQ hat press, visit Stahls.com. Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls TV, offering you the best heat press education available on the internet. If you like the content you just watched, make sure you click the like button at the bottom of the video. Also, subscribe to our channel. We publish new content all the time. It's our full-time job helping you to be successful in your apparel decorating business.